Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to test for a bad TPS sensor. You're going to need a multimeter, safety pin or back probing tool, or a T-pin and jumper wires. Next, turn the ignition to the on position. Next, go to the TPS sensor and identify ground, power, and signal wire. Ground is going to be 0 volt, power is going to be 5 volt or 12 volt, and signal wire is going to be less than 5 volt. Take the negative test lead of the multimeter and connect it to ground. Next, check for power, signal, and ground. This is the signal wire, this is going to be ground, and this is going to be power. Again, this is going to be signal, the next one is going to be ground, and the next one is going to be power. Take the positive test lead and connect it to the signal wire. A good throttle position sensor should not have any glitch when stepping on the gas pedal or at wide open throttle. Now, as you're stepping on a gas pedal, voltage should gradually increase, but no more than 5 volts. When you're releasing the gas pedal, voltage should gradually decrease. Again, check for glitches. Voltage should gradually decrease as you let go the gas pedal. Make sure to conduct the test a few times, and again, check for glitches and check for voltage spiking. As you can see, voltage did not surpass 5 volts on the signal wire. Make sure to test the TPS by stepping on the gas pedal and releasing the gas pedal. Next, conduct a snap test. As you can see, voltage rapidly increased at wide open throttle. If you're not sure what wide open throttle is, it is when you're stepping on the gas pedal. So when you're stepping on a gas pedal, it is causing the throttle plate to gradually open up. When should you test the TPS sensor? You should always test the TPS sensor when you're getting TPS sensor code, when you notice rough idle, when you notice a random stalling, and when you notice that when you step on a gas pedal and your vehicle starts to jerk, that could be a sign that you have a bad TPS sensor. The TPS sensor I just tested is a potentiometer, and basically it is a variable resistor. So every single time when you step on a gas pedal, it changes position and the resistance change, and it's going to change the signal. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.